Hi guys, today I'd like to share with you my thoughts on why content isn't always king when it comes to writing blog posts and putting content in terms of pages and posts and other stuff on your website. My name is Carl Craig West from Buzz Website Design, and it's our job to help you to reach more potential customers, typically through your online marketing channels such as your website and your social media. And if you like this video, please click on the like button below, share it out with friends, and if you like this video so much and you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. There's a little icon in the bottom right hand corner of the video. YouTube will let you know when we make one of these videos, which is roughly once a week. So, okay, what do I mean by content not always being a king? Well, if you've been writing blog posts for a while and you know anything about website SEO and content marketing, you'll know that there's this mantra, content is king. And to be honest, 75% of being successful in the search engines is all about your content, making it relevant to your audience, targeting the right keywords for what your audience are looking for, and then doing a good job in creating that content and letting Google know that it's there. And if you do just that, then in time your website will climb the search rankings compared to your competitors if they're not doing so well in all these areas. However, that is not the complete picture. Now, don't get me wrong, we create blog posts, we encourage our clients to create blog posts as well, but the key thing that you need to add to your content creation strategy is content sharing. Now, content is good, as I've said. Without content, Google won't be able to rank your website, no search engine will, because there's nothing for them to latch onto. But one of the key indicators for many of the search engines, Google in particular, is how widely and far this content that you've created has been shared around the web. In other words, when you've written a blog post, for example, or created a video, as we've done with this and all of our other videos, you need to share it like crazy on all of the channels that you're connected with. And whether that's social media, could be email marketing, social bookmarking, highlight it on your website, you put it the latest post or latest stuff. Let people know that it's there. The best thing about doing this is that it automatically lets Google know that there's some activity going on here, because they can see links, they can see traffic coming in. They always monitor where traffic comes from because they keep all stats on all traffic on websites that they look after in their database, for example, and they'll be able to see that there's stuff going on here. Now, the first indicator is that Google will see that there's something new happening on this particular website because there are different and new links to a different content item there. So that's the first good point for sharing out your content. The great thing about it also that is that Google will list it quicker and more in depth if you've shared it out quite a lot and there are plenty of links coming back in. And of course, the last and final one, if you've got new stuff to share, why wouldn't you put it out there? Now, another thing that a lot of people seem to overlook is that if you have written a really good blog post or created a piece of content which is a real potential interest to your target market, I strongly suggest that you email it out. One of our clients got fantastic results from this when she started emailing out not just a newsletter, but also links back to content that she'd written on her website. It increased traffic to those particular blog posts, and those particular blog posts went up in the search engine because they were getting traffic, because they were getting noticed, and Google saw that this was happening. So, the key message with this video is that yes, create content, yes, do it well, yes, do it more prolifically than your competition, and you'll do well in the search engines. But if you really, really want to nail it, you need to be sharing out your content far and wide on a regular basis. Now, I must add that there's no reason why you couldn't share your content again at a later time and keep recycling the content out to your social media. The best thing is that people will not usually see the same message twice if you're sharing it out on different days and different times, regardless of whether it's the same thing. But the key message is this: write content, create content, but share it out like crazy and encourage your fans and your followers to do exactly the same thing. So, I hope you liked that video. I hope you found it really, really useful. Please let me know what you're going to do first. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. We always answer questions and comments, and that would be great to hear from you. Remember, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube channel. But apart from that, I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.